Hi guys, Wendy here from Draw So Cute. In this video we're going to draw Stephanie from Lego Friends. So let's get started. With Stephanie we're going to first start by drawing her face. So right here I'm going to be drawing the bottom of a U, a very wide bottom. So I'm going to start by right here, go to the other side about this wide, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So there, I got basic wide curve in right here for the face. And then I'm gonna bring this up a little bit more right here. Just to straighten out a little bit more. And before I draw the hair, I'm gonna come in here and draw the eye. So it's a better way for me to gauge how, where to put the hair for her bangs. So right here in this area where I kind of started, towards the edge, I'm gonna draw a circle for her eyes. And come to the other side, once again towards the edge, and draw another circle. So there, and let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. I'm going to put two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. And so same thing over here, two small circles for highlights and curved line at the bottom. So Stephanie here is the first Lego friend that I am drawing. And so if you really love this, please give me comment below to let me know which other Lego friends you want me to draw. And I will try my best to get that request done for you guys. So lines at the bottom right here. And let's come back up here. I'm just going to give very simple lashes, just two curves. And come back in here and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side. So there. Now let's give her a sweet little smile. So I'm going to come towards the bottom in the center and just draw a little curve up and cap it off. And then let's come back up here above her eye, and in this little area right here, I'm just going to draw her brow. So it's just a soft curve that comes right on top of her eye. And let's see here. We'll wait for the other side. So, but I'll just give myself a point so I kind of know where the other brow is, because her bangs are going to kind of cover on one side. So from there, I'm going to come up and bring this curve up a little bit more. So now that I know where her eyebrow is, it's going to be a little bit easier for me to figure out her, the strands of hair on her head. So I'm just going to come in here with one smaller one, come up. And so her hair is going to part towards the side. So I'm going to draw one big one that comes out right here towards her brow area. Come back up. And one more that comes down all the way across, and just bring that in. So there, and let's just finish this part off right here, close it off. And so then from there, her hair parts on this angle right here, so I'm going to come up about right here and give myself a point, and from there I'm just going to draw a little curve to separate her hair. So this part's going to go up and this part's going to come down. So you can just finish off this curve right here for where her hair parts. And so from there I'm just going to come back up and just finish off the top of her head and bring it down. Okay, so from there, let's come back in here and draw some more details for her bangs. So nice soft curve in, and let's see here, one curve that comes right here, And we're going to have one strand that comes in on the side of her face. So I'm going to bring that in. And then there's one on this side as well that frames her face. So bring out one strand right here and bring it up. And so then let's see, we can come back in here. And I will leave it at that for now because we still have to draw her body and her outfit. So I'm going to come in the center right here and just give her a little neck. So just give her two little lines right here in the center. And I'm going to bring it down a little bit more and start her shoulders. Come out. And so then from there, I'm going to imagine kind of her armpits about right here on both sides. And I'm going to bring an angle line down. And so then let's come back up here and we're going to draw the neckline of her little tank top. So I'm going to come in here, do a curve and connect it. So let's finish off this tank top. I'm going to pop it up a little bit right here so you can erase that when you're coloring it. Pop it up a little bit and connect it. And from there, let's connect her body right here, her little tank top, and we're going to bring it down one more level. So we're going to start to draw her skirt. And from there, let's pop out her skirt. So about right here, we're going to pop out a curve. And let's see. So we're going to bring this down a little bit more. So her skirt has 2 layers. So, okay, that's about right. And then from there, I'm just going to draw a little wave right across. And so there's another layer down here. I'm going to come in on both sides. And once again, draw a curve all the way across. And then you can come in here for some detail. Just draw some lines like that. And then let's come in here and finish off her arms. I'm having it very simple, just to her side. So just bring it down close to her and just finish it off by drawing a curve in. So this is the easiest way to draw arms and hand if you don't want to bother with details of fingers and all that stuff. So, and just bring it in. Okay, now to draw her legs. So we come in here and hips about right here. So about the center. And I'm going to bring an angle line down. So same thing on this side. Hips about right here. And I'm just going to bring this all the way down. So tapering as we go. So it's going to get thinner and thinner. And let's see. Okay, that's about long enough, about right there. And now I'm going to draw her sneakers. So I'm going to come in here and just kind of cap it off. And from there, I'm going to bring it down a little bit more and flare it out. Bring it down, flare it out, and connect it. So same thing on this side. Connect it, and then just with a slight angle, flare it out, and connect it. But it's basically the same thing. Okay, so now for some details. I'll go in there later with a thinner pen because my Sharpie is getting a little thick. Let's finish off her hair first. I'm just going to come in here and just draw some more strands of hair just to finish it off. So about right there. Just bring it in. And let's see, over here, just give it a little curve and connect it. And so let's come in here. You can draw as many strands as you want. Or you can do that when you're coloring it. So it's not so harsh with the black Sharpie. But just to give you an idea. Like that. Okay, so now let's come in here and I'm going to use my thinner Sharpie. So with the thinner Sharpie, I'm going to go ahead and draw the design that's on her little tank top right here. So I'm just going to start with the star about right here. So it's basically one star. And let's see, there's a bunch of stars actually. So I'm going to come down here and draw another one at an angle. And it's connected with a big circle. So I'm just going to simplify this. It's too complicated. So it's connected with a big circle. And then there's another circle right here and connected. And I was trying to search up what this symbol means, but I couldn't find it. So if you know what this symbol means, you're a big Lego Friends fan, you should know. Please let me know in the comments below. I'm curious because I know they each have one, so a different symbol. So here another circle, like that, something like that. Hopefully it's not too far off. Okay, so then now for her sneakers, I'm going to come in here. And at the bottom, just draw a line and then curve on top. And we're going to divide it on the sides. And then there's going to be the flap at the top and some laces. So nice and simple. So same thing on this side. Curve, divide it. So I'm following the angle and laces. So let's see here if I'm missing anything else. That is pretty much it for Stephanie from Lego Friends. Hope you guys love how it turned out. If you do, oh, I forgot her eyebrow. Okay, so let's finish this eyebrow. But you guys were screaming at me to finish this part off. Okay, so there. I'm known to forget ears and everything, so there. Okay. Now it's Stephanie from Lego Friends. Hope you guys love how it turned out. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.